What's up, guys? Welcome to the newest builds that are going to be on Renegade headquarters. My name is Aaron, and Brady is my older brother, and so he's allowed me to team up with him to document these builds on his channel. So first off, we've got a 1987 Suzuki Samurai. Pretty much stock other than the tires and a little bit of a body lift. This one my wife and I have affectionately named Littlefoot. We've got another one that's in the works that this video and the following video is going to be on. We'll be working on the Suzuki intermittently while we spend most of our time on the other build that you'll see in just a minute. Yeah, this is the first time doing a Resto-mod, so hopefully you enjoy it, and if you've got any tips or tricks, let me know.
When my brother first came to me and talked to me about building this car, I was so stoked. So I'm so happy that he decided to make some videos that we can post for you guys. If you do have any tips and tricks, maybe some recommendations on what to put in this car, how to adapt it, all of those things, definitely throw it in the comments below. We will take a look at them, analyze them, see if it's something that we're able to do. But guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe. That way we can get everybody on these builds, that Renegade lifestyle. We appreciate all the support you guys have given us thus far. And we look forward to chatting with you online and bringing you some more content. Hopefully you guys all enjoy. Thanks.
All right, guys, I know there's a lot of time lapses right now, but right now we're just trying to get the whole body stripped completely bare. We want nothing on it. We want to be able to get it up on our rotisserie so we can get it upside down and fix all the rust the right way, get it stripped down to bare metal. So bear with me. I know this first video's got a lot of different time lapses in it, but it'll be worth it, trust me. Alright, so as you saw at the end of the video, we finally got everything stripped off the body other than the front subframe and the rear suspension, and we're finally ready to start building the rotisserie to get the thing up in the air so we can fix the rust the right way. So in the next video, you're gonna see the evolution of getting this thing this high in the air so we can finally get at this rust here on both sides and some other places around the car. So stay tuned for more.